Hi subscribers, hi viewers. As you can tell, I've got an empty box here, but mainly we need to take a look at this product. This is the main product. It came with other accessories. This is a gimbal which I got with a tripod stick which is extendable. So this one was inside, so take a look, and it goes up to, I think, like 1.5 meters or so. We'll have to take a look, we'll have to try it out. And the other thing that came with it was this light, which might come in handy, but I don't think that I'll be using it anytime soon because I've got enough lights. Although this video does not contain enough light, but that's what we're gonna do. So now let's take a look. The other thing which came with this was a mic, which really I appreciate, because sometimes you can't be close to the phone all the time. I'm filming using a phone, so it might be at a distance, especially with this stick. So let me just take a look at this and show you exactly what you got here. So what we have here, we've got to open this box. We've got to open this box. The main box came down opened, so I assume that there will be some stuff missing, but with what I have, even if there's anything missing, I will still be happy to work with what I have here, because I don't see any necessary reason for me to continue getting the other stuff, because this is the main product which I wanted. So let's just take a look at what we have. So I have to take this thing out, which feels a little bit stuck. Oh, that's good. Got a box. One thing I'm worried about, the guide. I was hoping that it's gonna come in. Yes, the manual. The manual is got an English manual, so I won't be having any problems setting it up. It was not like the drone, which I had to ask the manufacturer for instructions, of which they send me a video link. So this is the stuff we have here. This is the stuff we have here. So yeah, I get it, and I said, let's see if it's really gonna be helpful and useful. So the instructions, we'll take a look at them. So let's just take a look at this. Yes, this is what we have here. This is what we have here. This is the main product. So I'll assume this is a battery, right? Now this is the charging cable for the gimbal, so I don't have to worry about this. Seems like I don't know, I'll have to read the manual and actually come down and see exactly what's happening. So here we've got the product, and let me just get it out. So this is the product we have here. I'm not really sure about the brand and everything, so yeah, I'm really impressed. It turns around, it does everything. Let me try it with my other phone. Let me just put my other phone on it. We are going to be experimenting with this. So here what I'm trying to do is see the stability. So here I'm not gonna go into detail exactly on how to do it and how to use it. I'm just gonna try to put it and see if it really it makes it stabilizes my phone. So what's happening here? But the phone is not in properly, so let me just try to, yeah, the phone is now in. So as we can see, let's see, no, so we might have to read the manual first before I start using this product and seeing exactly what's happening. So thank you for watching, and there's the on. Let's see, press and hold power button for 3 seconds. This is the power button, I'll assume. Oh, we got it. It's on now. You see, it stabilizes everything. So we might have to do other things on it. So I'm really happy with what we have here at the moment. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this product for making better videos, because some of my first videos were not good quality or anything. So I will take time playing with this toy to see where we are. So let me just see if I can find the brand name. We don't have a brand name, so anyway, we're just gonna stick to it, and it's a little bit better product to what I was saying. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. You have a good day.